Hello everyone, it's Snady, and today we'll be unboxing this month's BoxyCharm. As you fabulous people know, this is about the products, not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away, because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. And for those of us who may be a little bit unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month you get over $100 worth of full-size luxury beauty items. And honey, these bitches do not fuck around. They give you some good shit. We've gotten things from Becca, ColourPop, Ofra, Dr. Brandt, Tarte, like so many good brands. And this is one of those boxes where I am so fucking excited to open it. Like, it is literally the highlight of my month. Like, I try so hard not to look at spoilers because I love the surprise. It's like Christmas every month, but with really expensive makeup. But just like anything that I get for free, I will always let you know we are friends here, we are family here, and I'm not gonna lie to you, and BoxyCharm does provide this service to me at no charge to review for you, but does that mean I'm a sugarcoat a fucking thing? Hell no. If I like something in here, I'll tell you. If I hate it, I'll let you know. And if at any point you decide, hey, I kind of fucking love that box, and you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, BoxyCharm was kind enough to provide me with a link down below for you to use, but please do not feel obligated to go through me. It's there if you want it, I'm just saying. And without further ado, let's open this little bitch. Yes! Like I said, I do always like to keep it a surprise, and they do include a nice card at the top. This month's box is really fucking heavy, but the card has everything that we get on one side and then the theme of this month on the other, and this theme is Boxy Bash. I remember this is their 1-year anniversary, I think. Wait, no, I think they've been around longer than that, but either way, it's their birthday, and I heard they're including extra items. And I will admit, I did see a couple of spoilers on their Instagram because they love to tease people with what they're gonna get, but I honestly don't even remember what those spoilers were. So this is gonna be a surprise for both of us. Anyway, first item is... what the fuck? Brushes? Ooh, brushes! Which, anytime they include brushes, that typically means we're gonna get something eye-related. These are 3 little eye brushes from Aesthetica. It looks like we get a brow brush, a liner brush, and I'm not really sure what that one's used for. And I will look at the prices in just a second, but I always get such a laugh from their prices because they're probably gonna say this is like a $200 brush set. And I was right, these 3 brushes retail for $27. I mean, I don't know about that. Oh, well, I mean, they do feel really nice. Like, really, really nice. Maybe that actually is a decent price for these, damn. But this Aesthetica P12 face brush set retails for $27 with synthetic fibers that allow... oh wait, I'm reading the wrong thing. Oh my fucking god, I am totally wrong. I guess we're gonna get another brush that's $27. These retail for $45. This is the Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio. Like I said, retails for $45. The trio comes with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for a fuller or more defined brow. I know brushes are expensive these days, but really, $45? But really, I'm not complaining. I mean, those brushes are 2 times more than what we paid for the damn box. Next up, we have, the $27 brush. Ooh, okay, see now this I could see being $27. Like, this shit is really nice. So maybe this is more of a luxury brand. This Aesthetica P12 face brush retails for $27 with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. Oh, fuck me in the Chuck E. Cheese basement. This shit is soft. And next up, we have a box. Ooh, we get matte lip gloss by BoxyCharm / Beauty Creations. And this is in the shade Sweetheart. Let's see what color it is. Ooh, very pretty. A nice universal nude. I am very excited to use this. That actually smells very similar to Kat Von D's. Wow, like really similar. And this Beauty Creations lip gloss retails for $10. That's not bad at all. They say this lip gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Wouldn't that be a liquid lipstick? Okay, whatever. Its lightweight application is long wearing for an effortless color that complements all skin tones. And it is a really pretty color. I'm just gonna swatch it right here. Oh yeah, that is definitely a liquid lipstick. Why do they call it a lip gloss? Whatever the fuck it is, I'm really excited to use it because that color is beautiful. And next up, what do we have? Finally a tube of lube? No, we have a Cover FX blurring primer. I love getting products from Cover FX because this is kind of one of those brands that I can't really afford. They're really fucking expensive, but when we get these, I love trying them. Ooh, let's see what we have. Ooh. Oh my, it's tinted. Oh, that is really soft. Oh my god, and it really fucking is blurring. How the hell do they do that? They say apply every morning on a clean face, ideal to prime skin for a foundation application. So I guess you can use this just on its own to give your skin a healthy little airbrushed effect. Our sexy ass little card here says this Cover FX blurring primer retails for $38. That sounds about right. This is a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. Very nice, Boxy BoxyCharm. I think we have one more item left in here. I don't know, because it still feels kind of heavy. We have a little pot of something. Ooh, it's gel eyeliner. I mean, that makes sense as to why we got the eyeliner brushes. This is really cool packaging. Like, the only thing I've seen like this is what you dip a quill in, and they have pictures of quills on here, and it's called the ink, so I guess that's probably what they're trying to replicate. This is Pretty Vulgar's The Ink Gel Eyeliner, which retails for $24. That's actually not even that bad because you get a shit ton of product in here. This highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the eyelids. Wow, that shit's fancy. Its creamy and water-resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. Oh, I'm really excited to try this out too. And I believe there actually is one more thing in here. What is it? It's a palette of some sort. What do we have? Ooh, it's a Pierre palette. I fucking love Pierre. What is this? Why won't it open? It's taped. We'll carefully use our weapons. Yeah. Oh, damn, that is pretty. It looks like a little contour palette. Why the fuck am I still holding this knife? Oh my god, and it smells like chocolate. Oh, shit. If you've ever smelled a Too Faced chocolate palette, that is exactly what this smells like. Does it taste good? Does not taste good. Oh, that took a big old chunk out of there. Puh. What is it that smells like chocolate then? You know what? Now that it's airing out, I think it might actually be the glue. So I just licked that for nothing. But we must swatch. Let's start with these two little shimmer things. Ooh, those are creamy as fuck. Oh, that is luxury, baby. Oh my god, those are so pretty. Let's try these two little matte guys. Oh wow, those are really fucking soft as well. Like they're airy and shit. Oh wow, and those swatch really good too. Way to go, Pierre and BoxyCharm. Y'all are killing it. I cannot wait to test these bad little bitches out, so let's go ahead and do a look. First, we'll start with our Cover FX blurring primer. And I'm slightly confused by this because it does appear to have somewhat of a tint to it. Like, is it still universal? I don't know, but I do know that this shit is soft as fuck. Do I look blurred? I kind of feel like I look the same. I don't know. For foundation, I'm going in with my usual underneath the eyes, which is Makeup Revolution in the shade F4. And then for the rest of my face, I'm using EVXO in the shade Cork. Okay, that foundation actually went on really, really well, like a lot better than normal, and I'm guessing it's because of the primer. Well, fuck me, that primer actually did do a good job. For concealer, I'm just going in with some Shape Tape in the shade Light, and then we'll go ahead and set everything with some Coty's Translucent Air Spun, and then I'm guessing this brush was probably made for these guys right here. I would not use this as a highlighting brush, but I guess I could use this as a contour brush. So let's dip into the lighter shade, which is Inventor, and let's chisel these cheekbones. Oh, damn! Fucking hell! That works really good. I've never used a big ass brush like this for my cheeks other than like blush, but this bitch just chiseled me out. Ooh, damn! Let's try the other side. Wow. I'm actually kind of really fucking impressed. I have no idea why, but I just am happy about this. Let's take a little bit down the nose as well. I don't go in and heavily contour my nose. Obviously, you probably couldn't with this brush, but I feel like this is gonna be okay. Just to experiment, I'm gonna lightly dip into this darker shade right there and try that on my cheeks as well. That might be a little bit too dark for me and ruin everything. Yeah, that's definitely way too dark. Shit. Whatever though, we'll just blend it the fuck out. For blush, I'm going in with my all-time favorite, Essence in the shade Satin Coral. This shade is like a blush minimalist's dream. Like, it's very, very subtle, but it still adds a little pop of color to the skin. And for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with a fan brush. I'm not even gonna try to use that big ass one. And which one should we use? The lighter one or the darker one? Let's go in with the lighter one first. Oh, damn, she has some fallout. But let's see how she plays. Ooh, she plays nice. Oh my god, that is really fucking pretty. Go in and highlight that brow bone while we're at it. That is a really pretty and blinding highlighter, but I do notice it is the kind of highlighter that just kind of sits on top of your skin, like it's not melting into the skin. Maybe if we just kind of press it in with our finger and blend it around? No, that seemed to work fine. Oh, I'm in love with this shit. That is really pretty, and we all know how much of a highlighter hoe I am, so I'm really happy to add this to my collection. But I legit just keep smelling chocolate. It still smells like a Hershey Kiss, and I don't understand it. Whatever, I don't mind, but I think we are gonna keep this look on the more tamed and neutral side, so let's take a little bit of Inventor, and with a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna place that right on the crease and kind of smoke it out. Ooh, shit, that's really nice as an eyeshadow too, damn. Like, it actually blends out really freaking nice. And let's take whatever's left on the brush and just slide it along the lower lash. And let's go on with a little bit of Founder on that same brush, and I'm just gonna put that in the crease as well. These are actually really nice. Like, I might bring this palette on vacation with me. I don't really wear much makeup when I'm not filming, but these colors are so nude and neutral that I don't even mind them. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of Trailblazer on my finger and just put it all on the eyeball. Oh my goodness, that feels like I'm rubbing a stick of butter on my skin. Wow, that's nice. Then over that, I'm gonna go in with some Wet n Wild gold liner, and then right below that, a little bit of black liner. Shit, we're supposed to be using the gel liner. Oh, fuck me. Okay, let me finish with this eye, and then I'll use the gel liner on the other side. What the fuck, Nady? I can't believe I did that, but now at least we can compare sides, I guess. Oh my, that really is a gel liner. That shit comes out. Okay, so let's try the Pretty Vulgar gel liner on this side. Oh shit, that's nice. Oh my god, I always fuck this eye up. Like, look at it, it's just like a straight line on the top of there. Damn it. I'm actually gonna leave it as is, and hopefully my lashes will cover that up, but that works beautifully. I can't really compare it to the felt tip that I use because gels are just an entirely different breed of eyeliner, but this is absolutely a very, very good gel eyeliner, so I'm really happy with it. Lashes are on. Let's go ahead and try out this lipstick. I mean, lip gloss. Oh, that feels like butter on the lips. That's really nice. Like, really, really nice, and for only being, what, 10 bucks? And that color is legit perfect. Oh my god, I might have to buy myself some more of these. But overall, I am very happy with this month's BoxyCharm. Like, I don't think we have anything that I won't use. And adding the total up for everything that we got today is $174. Like, that is not bad at all. I think I'm most happy and excited about this Pierre Palette. Like, I used it on my eyes, I used it on my face. This shit is so fucking versatile. I'm probably least excited about these little brushes because honestly, I have a million of them, but I do really love this face brush. Like, it is so soft, and I only have a few of these, so I'm definitely gonna use the shit out of this. But all the products were really, really good, so good fucking job, BoxyCharm. Like I said, if you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, please feel free to use the link down below, but do not feel obligated to go through me. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepopluxe.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialnady, and you can follow me online at thepopluxe.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.